guess what? I painted it. Here's the how-to. So first up, I painted it upside down, so I had to repaint it. So don't worry about making mistakes. So I've used regular acrylic paints, didn't put any mediums in them, any sort of textile special things, nothing like that. So just regular acrylic paints. You have to work it quite hard with the brush to make sure it gets into all the fibres. And then I've just decided to do this little cute country scene because I wanted to have a kind of miniature thing. And this is a scene that I used to paint quite a lot. I was really into the American kind of folk art, and we used to make lots of wooden plaques and things when they were the thing. So little house, some little sheep, a little tree, and then I thought, wouldn't it be cute if the actual strap also had the fencing on it, around some little flowers. And at the end of it all, I'm going to varnish it, which I left overnight, and now I'm finishing touches with a really nice fine number 2 pen. What do you reckon, my mateys? I'm really chuffed with it. It's really cute and makes my things look even more lovely. Thanks for watching.